Good morning. You can tell from my hair flapping in the wind that it is a bit windy out here, but we are making our way to Nassau today. We're in the Bahamas. Jackson and I are going to be heading to the Waterpark in Atlantis. We've been there a couple times before. We've had a great time, so I said, hey, what do you want to do? He wants to go back, so that's what we're going to do. Excited for what sort of fun we have today in Atlantis and all the other things we see today in Nassau. So guys, as always, if you're ready, I am. Let's go. Up here on Yacht Club pool deck, to get ourselves some lunch before we head off the ship. So we got towels over here. Can you smell that food, Jay?
I smell steak.
I smell it too. Here we are, approaching Nassau. Looks like we got a Royal Caribbean ship out there, and Disney, Carnival. So, guessing we're pulling into either that second or that fourth slip. So, I'm just gonna head back to the room. We'll be off, getting off here in about an hour. Here we are, freedom of the seas. Got some water slides up there. I think I just counted 2. There's a flow rider and a rock wall. You can see them building the new Royal all-inclusive resort over there. Atlantis, where we'll be heading here just shortly. Making it here to Nassau. It's gonna be a warm one, but I'll take it. Making our way into the water park, though we got a ways to go. The adventure begins here at the Rapids River. That is definitely the way to do a lazy river. Clearly, I smoked you. I got video evidence.
Of me winning.
What are your thoughts on losing to your old man?
You mean you did anything?
Alright, Jay, I'll see you at the bottom of the sharks. Good luck. Here we go. Woo! Whoa! A little bit past 7 p.m. Still plenty of time before the all aboard at 8:30, but you can see the port is pretty much shut down. All the stores are closed. Very few people here. It is quiet. We had a great day at Atlantis. Did all the slides we could. Had a lot of fun.
And the lazy river.
Did the lazy river like 4 or 5 times. And then now we're heading back to the ship for dinner tonight at Butcher's Cut at 8 p.m. That is a very late dinner for us. But that's one of our favorite steakhouses. Maybe our favorite steakhouse at sea. I like their Wagyu. Jackson likes the ribeye. It's a good spot. Thanks, sir. We're here at Butcher's Cut, as you can see in the sign behind me, and I'm kicking things off with the Jumbo Lump Crab Cake. I'll be honest, I'm a Maryland native. I know my crab cakes, so I would usually never get a crab cake on a cruise ship, aside from eating on Celebrity, because theirs are amazing, but I don't know. I was looking for something different because I've eaten the Butcher's Cut so many times, and I've never tried the crab cake, so I'm going to see how it is. This is decent. I will say, if you're not a crab cake snob like me, it's honestly pretty good. This is a little bit too heavy on the filler, too much filler, not enough crab cake, or I'm sorry, not enough crab, but it's still not bad. So I'll go with a very good on this. If you're not a Maryland native, you probably just think this is great crab cake. Next up, I have the wedge salad. Try to get a good cut of this so I can give it a good assessment here. I'll be honest, I don't think I've ever had a wedge salad that didn't have bacon on it. And this doesn't. In fact, literally, there's a chunk salad, wedge, obviously. Some blue cheese, but not enough blue cheese. I don't know. In my opinion, this not their best work. I'm gonna go with a fair on this. It's not even enough dressing, so you're pretty much eating a big hunk of lettuce with no flavor. So it is what it is. So I'm gonna give it a fair, and probably won't eat much. Good morning. It is day 5 on the 7-day journey, and it's the final port day of the adventure. Today we're in Ocean Cay. You can see behind me, that's gonna be Little Key or Little K, depending on how you pronounce it, which is going to be the new private area for Yacht Club guests, but it's going to be another year, maybe longer than that, before that's ready. So for now, what we can't see is the lighthouse behind us, because usually we are on the starboard side of the ship, but this time around we're on the port side, which means we don't get to see it. Really not a big deal, but usually I'll be showing you the lighthouse and whatnot behind me, but not today. We don't really have any plans. I'm sure we'll go to the beach and we'll get lunch, but beyond that, who knows, but it's gonna be a great day no matter what. So guys, as always, if you're ready, I am. Let's go. We made it to beautiful Ocean Cay, and look at this weather. No rain today. I'll take it. We've had very bad luck coming here. We've made it to beautiful Ocean Cay here in the Bahamas. This is MSC's private island, their Caribbean paradise. And we're getting ready to make our way to the Ocean House, which is the Yacht Club area here. See, this is the Yacht Club tent here, canopy, whatever. So you can get a golf cart. Usually we'd walk over, but we're a little behind today. We're hungry, so we're gonna get a ride over so we can get some lunch. Our escort has arrived. This is the awesome Liliana. Thank you, Liliana. Here's the transportation pavilion here for the golf carts. This is not the Yacht Club. This is where you'll grab one. See, the line here is a little bit longer.
All right, guys.
Thanks, sir.
Thank you.
And we're waiting for our drinks from you.
Hello, doing
All is good?
Yes.
Welcome.
Thank you. 2, please. We're here. There's no spots by the water, so we're just here in the middle. But it is a gorgeous day. This is perfect weather. I'm looking forward to a great day here on Ocean Cay with Jackson the Fourth. There you go. My favorite item here at the Ocean House is to take the lobster roll and the burger and make them into one with the burger with lobster on top. So that's what I have right here. See, look at this. Oh, it looks so good. It's just a burger, but when you put the lobster on there, it definitely steps it up a step. So as far as burgers go, this is very good. Definitely something to consider trying when you're here in the Ocean House, because even if not the Ocean House, because they have lobster roll, like the food trucks and whatnot around the island, but this is fantastic. Well, it was a good lunch here at the Ocean House, I'll say. The flies seem to be enjoying it a bit much, if I'm honest. There were flies everywhere. Here is the new Yacht Club beach over here on the other side of the island. There's a tent here. I guess it's a bar. I don't know. I don't know if they have towels here. I'm gonna look and see. You ready to get in?
Sure.
It is not nearly as rocky over here as it is at the OG Yacht Club beach. Like they got these little pink things you can lay out on if you want. Oh! Like they even say Ocean Cay MSC Marine Reserve Bahamas on them. Let's see, can we do it? Negative, Ghost Rider. Kidding. Oh, so close. Brand new bathhouse over here in the Yacht Club area, which I'm grateful for. Let me get this sand off my feet. That is clutch right there. Just waiting to get ourselves off our back. Those are full. We'll wait for the next ones. Making our way back to the ship. Probably look like a tomato. Feel like one. Good morning. What you see behind me are blue oceans, and that's all we're going to be seeing for the next couple of days, because the next 2 days are sea days, and that's all that's left before the 7-day journey comes to an end. So we're getting ready to do a behind the scenes tour on the ship. Wasn't expecting this, but I'm curious to see what we're going to find, and then I don't know. Really appreciate you guys being here, and if you're ready, I am. Let's go. Making our way across the bamboo pool deck here in the Solarium. It's only about 9:30, so ahead of the crowd. 9:39 to be exact. People out there doing Zumba or something like that. Good for them. Here we are, the Aquaventure Water Park. We're gonna start with the adventure trail before we get wet on the water slides. So here we go. Jackson's making his way. We're ready. Here he goes. Here he goes to the next section. Piece of cake, he says. Oh, not a piece of cake, he fell. What'd you think?
I think the World Americas was better, but that was still good.
Woo! Got me. Making our way up the stairs. Not allowed to have the camera on the slides, but I can take a shot of the slides, so show them to you guys. Jackson's getting ready to go down the body slide. You can see here there's 2 tube slides that go down, and then there's the body slide here where you shoot out the bottom and spin around and then you stop. There he goes. And then we'll see him shoot out at the bottom here. It's that fast. Basically spin around once, and then you get up and you walk down the stairs, and that's all there is to it. My recommendation, if you want to do it, it opens at 9 a.m. Get here by 9:30, 10, and you'll be able to do everything.
That was the body slide, which was pretty good. But it hurts your back, and make sure to not hit your head.
Back out here on the Lido deck. It's 11:30 now, so now we'll see how many people are out here later in the day. I mean, there's a good number of people out there, but I've seen these pool decks way more crowded on a sea day, so that's honestly not bad, especially for a beautiful day like today. Making our way here from the Lido deck into the bamboo pool deck, aka the Solarium. Kids out here playing ping pong. There's actually spots in the hot tub for a completely sold out cruise. Well, actually, I don't know if it's a cruise, but a mostly sold out cruise for sure. It's honestly not bad. Getting ready for high tea here in the topside lounge. Got some treats. Got the punch. Or the tea's coming up. And these beautiful forward views. Basically, they give you a carafe. Say wait 3 minutes, it'll be ready. We'll wait longer if you want a little bit darker. So we got the fruit punch. No sweetener or cream. That's a little bit surprising, but got the tea. That's the important part. We are sailing into a storm. Let's see if we get lucky and get any lightning bolts out here. It's been really cool to just stare out and see the storm ahead of us. can see that rain out there in the distance. It's not hitting this glass yet, so we're not in it. We'll see if we sail around it. Are the seas gonna get rough? I don't know. I have a feeling they might. Well, that New York skyline behind me can only mean one thing. This 7-day journey has come to an end. It's time to get off the ship, sadly enough. Take a quick look out here at New York. You can see the Statue of Liberty out there in the distance. Backdrop of the city there. It's a muggy day, overcast, but not too hot. So it's time for us to get off the ship. So sadly, for one final time, if you're ready, we are. Let's go. Good morning, Maddie.
You're good now?
Yes, we're ready.